Hi, Miss Ba. Do share the session with all your friends. Let's have a good number. So, do share the session with all your friends. Okay, so the audio is very clear. Okay, I was just checking. Yeah, please do share the session with all your friends. Hi, Mallikarjun, how are you? So, this is the very first live, I think, for this year, and you will have live sessions like this. I just want a good number from your side so that I can continue the sessions. Good afternoon, Mani. Good afternoon, Mallikarjun. Mallikarjun, if I'm not wrong, you have followed me for last year class 10th. Am I right? Good afternoon, unknown. So, yeah, today's session is scheduled with the most important, very short questions. Okay, so I have brought 25 questions for you, wherein I try to cover all the concepts of all the chapters. Okay, so which are expected for the boards? Only the questions which are expected, not all the questions. Unnecessary questions, I did not take it in the session, only the ones which are expected. And the session is going to be sweet and short, only with important questions. Important questions of physics, I already started uploading. So you have one video in the morning, okay, of assets based on a case based question. One you'll get in the evening based on the ray diagram. Okay, so physics, I'm firstly doing the essay questions. Okay, so do follow the channel completely, then you will understand what are the questions we have already done. Okay, hi HK Creations, Srinivas. Yes, Mallikarjun, I remember you. Live is going to be very short, that's what I said. Shailaja, I have not fixed the time better, so I just wanted to see how many of you are available right now. So, if this is the only time which you are preferring, then I will take live daily on the same time. Okay, so I need feedback from you. Oh, HK Creations, how are you? So, 2022 means now you are in inter second year or completed? After 7 p.m. Okay, so that's what I just want to know the complete feedback of you. When you are available, only then there is a meaning of me taking the live session. Good afternoon, Srinivas. Chalo, let's begin the session beta. Thank you, HK. So, any suggestions for your juniors? Chalo, let's begin. So, yeah, I only brought the important questions again. Okay, just reminding you. Inter second year. Very good, beta. Thank you, Miss Ba. Please share the sessions with all your friends beta so that we can have a good number. Okay? Chalo. Let's begin the session then. So happy to see you all. Mallikarjun is in first year. So happy, so happy. HK second year. So happy to see the old students again. Okay, I have received few papers beta. So just a reminder, thank you for all those who have sent the papers, and those who have not sent yet, please do send your pre-final and practice test papers to my Instagram, okay, or email ID also. Chalo, let's begin the session. Find the value of k for which these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, I have taken a mix of different papers, so please check out. And only important questions I picked up, which are common in all the papers. Okay, so this is a set of most important questions. Okay, find the value of k for which these two lines are parallel lines. First of all, when two lines equations are given to you and they are telling you to find some relation between them, you have three different relations: intersecting lines, coincident line, and parallel lines, isn't it? So if two lines are intersecting, then a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, these ratios are not equal. Okay, if lines are intersecting like this, ratios are not equal. Thank you so much, Mallikarjun. So happy, beta, and God bless you always. And if the lines are coincident, all the ratios are equal. They are coincident, that means one above the other, that means all the ratios are equal. If the lines are parallel, only the first two ratios are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, and the rest is not equal simply. Okay, if all three equal, they are called coincident lines. So happy to know that, Mallikarjun. I'm so happy. Your comment made my day. I'll just post it in the community. Okay, so that your juniors can see the feedback. One help I need from all of you is do share the sessions with all your friends. Okay, chalo. So now they are telling you parallel lines. So we know that parallel lines follow this condition. Okay, so if lines are parallel, A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2. So first we should find what is A1, B1, C1. Okay, so what is the first line given? Given 4x minus 6y equal to 15 and 2x plus k plus 1y equal to 5. Bring it to the general form first. 4x minus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. 2x plus k plus 1 into y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now comparing it with the general form. What is the general form? A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Isn't it? So compare the given equations with the general form. Okay. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If you compare, in the place of a1 you have 4. Okay. So in the place of a1 I have 4. In the place of b1 minus 6. You can respond in the comments. In the place of c1 minus 15. Then in the place of a2 I have 2. In the place of b2 I have k plus 1. In the place of c2 I have minus 5. Just compare. Okay. Now, since the lines are parallel, it is given that the lines are parallel. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 is 4 by A2 is 2 is equal to B1 is minus 6 by B2 is K plus 1. Now, you can cross multiply or you can cancel first. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, now cross multiply. So, 2 into K plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Okay. Major district papers. I think I have received better. Did you send it to my mail? 2k plus 2. See, distributive property. 2 into k, 2k plus 2 into 1, 2 equal to minus 6. Now we need the value of k. So send 2 to the other side. So minus 6 plus 2 becomes minus 2. So you have minus 8. 2k equal to minus 8. So k is equal to minus 8 by 2. 2 is in multiplication, transposing to other side, division. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. So k equal to minus 4. What's the very first question? Very easy peasy, let me know. Is the very first question easy peasy? Is it easy? Are you all with me? Yes? Very good, very good. I'll take time for the explanation as well. So you can do it before me. Okay? And you should. And only when you don't know, please have a look at the solution. Okay? Chalo. So good. Chalo, next question. But before next question, people please send your question papers to me, pre-final and practice test, other districts. So I think I got Mechal, Karimnagar. I don't remember actually. So please send me. Okay, I'll just cross check. Does this form GP? There is one more question which you can expect. Does the given series form AP? So these are two models. Does it form GP or does it form AP? Okay. One model is from the linear equation compulsory about this concept. Okay. Clear? Second model, is it a GP, is it a AP, or finding the term. They will ask you to find the sixth term. They will give you A equal to 6, D equal to 5, find the nth term or find the sixth term. Or they will give you A equal to 7, R equal to 1 by 3, find the seventh term. So these are the models you can expect from progressions chapter. Whether it is in GP or AP or finding the term. That's all. Only these you can expect from progressions. Clear? Or they will ask you one last model is, they will tell you, see, this is a GP, find R, common ratio. Or they will tell you this is AP, find D. Okay. So these are the only models you can get. For all the models, the formula is only one. Now, if you want to find the nth term, you have nth term formula, that's all. If it is a GP or not, how do you do? So these are the only models from progressions, what I told you right now. Okay. And I'm confining it to only short answer. When I talk about long answer, I will tell you the models which you can get for long answer. For short, only these are the models. Okay. So now if I have to find it is a GP or not, what is GP? You will have common ratio. This is the concept which has to come to your mind. So what is common ratio? If I divide the second term by the first term or the third by the second, the ratio has to be same. So A2 by A1 should be equal to A3 by A2. So let's find if it is same or not. A2 is 1 by 32 by A1 is 1 by 64. See, fraction divided by a fraction. What happens? The fraction which is here down will actually reciprocal when you take it up. Right? So 32 ones are 32 twos are. So finally I am getting 2 as a common ratio. Here let us see A3 is 1 by 8, A2 is 1 by 32. So it is 1 by 8 into this fraction reciprocals 32 by 1. So 1s are, 4s are, so I am getting 4. So is this a GP? Okay, red is only for the question beta. So next time I will change the color. As of now questions are already written. So I'll just read out the question, okay? So tell me, did you get the same answer? Is it a GP or not? And you will get some videos, some tips of how to revise and all. So do follow the shorts also. Okay. Yes, it is not a GP. It is not GP. Reason, common ratio is not same. What is the common ratio here we found? A2 by A1 is not equal to A3 by A2. Clear? Chalo beta. So models are clear from progressions. Now I told you from linear equation what are the models you will get to find whether the lines are intersecting, coincident or parallel. And if they are intersecting, coincident or parallel, they will ask you to find the value of k like this. Whatever is the concept, this box you have to remember. Clear? This is the only box. Yes, beta. Inter classes definitely I am starting for sure. From after this 10th class exams I'm going to start. Okay, so date I don't remember properly, but take it as April 2nd week. Okay, chalo. Next you see, from progressions, this is a definite model you will get. Finding whether AP or GP. Okay, finding the given AP or GP. This is one model. Second, finding the nth term of the AP. Finding the nth term of the GP. Third model I told you, they will give you the series 2, 4, 6 is AP. Find D. Very easy, right? So these are the only models which you can expect for short. Clear? Chalo, next one. Find the TSA of the cuboid. Dimensions again. So this is from mensuration. From mensuration, your 10.1 exercise, do you remember? Is everyone comfortable with English or do you want me to shift the language? Find the total surface area of cuboid of dimension 6 cm, 4 cm and 2 cm. Okay. So here, this chapter, mensuration, you have 10.1 exercise. In 10.1 exercise, you are dealing with only one shape, finding the volume or the area, surface area of one particular shape, and that is most important. Okay, so definitely you will get short and part B is from 10.1. Short and part B is from 10.1. Remember. Clear? So no doubt here, what you have to study from mensuration, 10.1 for part B and short. Okay, chalo. So they are asking total surface area of cuboid. So cuboid formulas, cuboid volume is LBH. Okay, lateral surface area. How do you get the lateral surface area? 88. Very good. Total surface area. Lateral surface area includes only the four sides. Front, back, left and right. Only the four sides. Okay. Total includes the top and bottom as well. Okay. Total includes the top and bottom. So your total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into 6 into 4 into, I'm so sorry. Some of you have done it. Very good. Very good, Rajesh. So L B plus B H. This I'm taking L B H. No confusion, right? L H. So 2 into 6 fours are 2 fours are 6 2 is 2 is. What's the final answer? We are getting 20. 20 plus 24 44. So 88. Is it centimeter square? Centimeter square. Please don't forget to write the units. Clear, children? Clear till here? Hyderabad. Chalo. Let's proceed to the next question. So I hope what you have to learn from mensuration is clear to you. Please do share the session with all your friends and let me know if this is the preferred timing or do you want me to take the class at any other timing. Chalo, find the HCF and LCM of two numbers by prime factorization method. So first rule for HCF, after you prime factorize, you will take only common factors. HCF means highest common factor. So you take only common factor. Second, you will choose the lowest power. H means highest. You choose the lowest power of the common factor. Okay. For LCM, you will choose all the factors. Okay. Because not only common factor, you will choose everything, all the factors for LCM. Secondly, if there is any common factor, you will choose the highest power. So whatever I'm giving you the concept also here, which is helpful for every model. Okay. So see here. 80 we have to prime factorize and 120 also we have to prime factorize. Okay. So 80, let's take the prime number 2. So 4, 0, to 20 is a 40, to 10 is a, to 5 is a, then 5 1s a. Then here 60 is a, 30 is a, 15 is a, and 5 3 is a, 3 1s a. Okay. So 80 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Or simply I can write as 2 power 4 into 5. Then 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Or simply 2 power 3. 2 cube into 3 into 5. Now if I want to find HCF, what did I tell you the rule for HCF? Common factor. What is the common factor here? 2 and 5. And what we have to do, we have to choose the lowest power of the common factor. So for the common factor 2, what is the lowest power? 2 power 4 or 2 power 3? 2 power 3. So write 3. Into 5 is also common factor. So write that also. And 5 power is 1 in both the cases. So nothing to choose. 2 cube means 8 into 5. So you have 40. Right, beta? Now LCM. LCM, you will consider all the factors. What are all the factors? 2, 3 and 5 are the factors. So I am taking 2. But 2 is a common factor. So when I get a common factor, I have to choose the highest power. So what is the highest power of 2? 2 power 4 is highest. Into 3 is also one of the factor, take it. 5 is also one of the factor, take it. You understood the difference between LCM and HCF now? Yes, 2 power 4 is 16 into 3 into 5. Okay, so please multiply. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Hey Ashutosh, how are you? Actually, my telegram stopped working better. So I don't know. I lost connection with you people somehow. So Insta, you can contact me on Instagram. Ashutosh, Pari has contacted. Okay, we shall definitely have a Zoom meeting. Right, beta. Any doubt in the previous question then? Always welcome, beta Ashutosh. देखो, tan theta as cos theta we have to express. So you basically have three identities. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Okay. So tan and cos, where are you finding both in one identity? Directly or indirectly, where are you finding both? देखो ये 1, 2, 3. Yes. Out of these three, where are you finding? Where are you finding tan and cos either directly or indirectly is the question. Hi Nandu. Yes, beta. Things are simple. I just asked you one question. Where are you finding tan and cos? See, simple. Tan यहाँ पे है and cos is here. Okay. Secant is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. Agreed? Any doubt in that? Right. So this is the identity which we have to choose. Is it clear? Anytime a question of this kind, express tan theta in terms of cos or anything like this, express one trigonometric ratio in terms of the other, then there is no other method you will use. You just write all the three formulae in the rougher column and see where are you finding both of them. Is it clear? No by hearting at all. You don't have to by heart anything. So just write all the three formulas and see where are you finding both of them. So here, second formula, here you are finding both. Okay. So see, you just take the second formula. You will write, we know that, we already know many things. Okay, what are that? Secant square minus tan square theta is 1. This is what we know. So I need to express tan in terms of cos. Now understand. Tan in terms of cos I have to express. So tan theta is equal to something in terms of cos I have to write. So my tan theta should be on one side. Then all the other terms should be on the other side. So I'm sending tan to the RHS side. So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now I need tan on one side. So send plus 1 to the other. So secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Okay, but here you see, now I simply got tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. But this is not what I want. I want tan theta equal to in terms of cos. So secant I can write as cos. Secant square can be written as 1 by cos square minus 1. Just take the LCM. So you have 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta. This is what? This is tan square theta. So tan theta would be simply the root of 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta. You can end the answer here, or one more step you can write. Tan theta is equal to, if you separate the root, 1 minus cos square theta by root cos square theta, square root cancel. So you will have root 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. This is nothing but tan theta, simply. Clear better? Okay, this is how you can solve the question related to express one trigonometric identity as the other. Thank you so much, Nandu. So happy to see you. Thank you so much, Mallikarjun. All the very best, Nandu, for the future. What is that I have to solve? Cos in terms of cot. Hi, Ahmad Pichia. Cos in terms of cot. So with cos and cot, what is the identity? Is there any identity? I think it is sine in terms of cot. Cos and cot, then this is the identity you can take, because secant is the reciprocal of cos and tan is the reciprocal of cot. So I'll just do it here. So we know the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Okay, so cos I need to write in terms of cot. So cos should be on one side and other terms on the other side. Okay, so who is the reciprocal of cot? Who is in disguise of cos? We have secant here in the formula. So secant on this side and tan you send it to the other side. Okay, now I don't want secant, I want cos actually. Isn't it? So write in terms of cot, and I don't want tan, I want cot. So you can write tan as cot. Now just take LCM, your answer is ready. Okay, take LCM, done. We need cos. So I have the reciprocal of cos, so just reciprocal on both the sides. So this is what you get. Then take the square root. Clear better? Any more doubt? So good to have you back, Nandu Mallikarjun. Very happy to see you people. Feels so good when my old students come back. Okay, so any more doubts, just let me know, or can we go to the next question? Whatever it is, now I hope you understood. Whatever it is, the only funda you will do is take the three identities. That's all. Yes. I have had not only one chapter, I have chosen all the chapters here. So you will have questions of all the chapters. Okay. So don't worry about one particular chapter. Yes. Alpha and beta are zeros of this polynomial. Okay. The given polynomial is x square minus 9x plus k. And condition given is alpha is equal to beta, you need to find k. Whenever such a question is given, what is the concept you use? What is coming to your mind? Anyone? Is there any particular concept coming to your mind? You have to use the concept of sum of zeros, product of zeros. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So either sum of zeros or product of zeros is the concept you will use. That is relationship of zeros and coefficients you will use. Okay. Now compare this with the general term ax square plus bx plus c and see what is a. A is 1, b is minus 9 and c is k. Perfect. Okay. So we know that sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a. So what are the zeros here? Alpha and another zero. This I can write alpha as 2 beta. I'm just writing it. Alpha I can write 2 beta and I have one more beta is equal to minus b. B is how much here? Minus 9 by a. So I have 3 beta. Beta plus 2 beta is 3 beta equal to 9, or beta value you got it as 3. 9 by 3 is 3. So if beta is 3, alpha is 2 times of 3. So alpha you get it as 6. So you got alpha and beta, but you don't need alpha and beta actually. What do you need? You need k. So let's take product of the zeros concept. Alpha beta is c by a. So alpha here is 6, beta is 3 is equal to c is k by a is 1. So k is 6 times 3, 18. Any doubt in this question? Just let me know. Do share the session with all your friends. Any doubt, or can we proceed to the next one? Yes, chalo. And you will have a test on very short questions tomorrow. Okay? Chalo beta. 784 is product of prime factors. So only 2-marker questions, all of them are. So let's have one quick test tomorrow so that you will be confident that you have very short answers in your pocket. Okay? 784 is product of prime numbers. Can I expect the answer from you for this question? Will you do and tell it me? Fast. I will just give you 20 seconds. Do it and tell fast. Tomorrow 6 p.m. you will have a test beta on very short answer. Okay? I will bring 30 questions for you. Okay? I'll give you 30 seconds like this to solve so that your timing, doing the questions fast, time management also improves. And at the same time, I will quickly explain the concept of the question after you solve. Okay? Chalo. 784. Is it done? And for tomorrow's session, do invite all your friends. Okay? 6 p.m. session. Let's have a challenge. Is it done? I need the answer from you people. Okay, I'm not getting the answer, so let me start. Okay, I got the answer. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Perfect. Chalo, right. So let's go to the next question. Take it as DIY. Do it yourself. The ones who are in session have already done, I guess. The one who is not in the session, who will see it later, will do. Construct a quadratic equation as tan 45 and cosecant 30 as its roots. One root is tan 45. Tan 45 value you have to write. Another root beta is cosecant 30. This value you should write. Okay, tan 45 is 1. Cosecant 30, 2 power 4 into 7 square. Perfect. Tan 45 is 1 beta. Cosecant 30 is another root. Cosecant 30 value, see, if you don't know cosecant 30, you remember sin 30. Cosecant and sin are reciprocal of each other. Sin 30, 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 will be 2 by 1, reciprocal of it. Very good beta, very good. Chalo, cosecant 30 is 2. Agreed till here, any doubt? Okay. So now you need to form a quadratic equation. What is the formula for that? K into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros equal to 0. Equation you want, so you simply write equal to 0. Clear beta? Okay. So k into x square minus sum of zeros. Zeros are 1 and 2 now. So 1 plus 2 into x plus product is 1 into 2 equal to 0. So k into x square minus 2 plus 1, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now you can take k as 1. So this is the equation. They have mixed polynomials concept here. They mixed trigonometry concept here. Okay. But the question is very simple. Chalo, next question. Given AT is tangent to the circle of radius 3 cm, OT is 5 cm, Find length of the tangent. Take a circle. Okay. AT is a tangent. Okay. From a point A to T, this is a tangent. Okay. OT is 5 centimeter. From center O to this point T, this is 5 centimeter. Okay. Then radius OA is 3 centimeter. They're asking 80. How do you get 80? See, simple, this forms a right angle triangle. We know radius and tangent are perpendicular. So triangle OAT is right angle triangle. And using Pythagoras theorem, opposite to right angle is this OT. So OT square is equal to AT square plus OA square. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. OT is 5. So 5 square equal to AT. We don't know. We have to find. OA is 3. Okay. So 25 is equal to 80 square plus 3 square is 9. So 9 you take it to the other side. So 25 minus 9 equal to 80 square. 16 equal to 80 square, or 80 is equal to root 16, which is nothing but 4. 4, 4. Chalo, next question beta. If A is a set containing X, X is a prime factor of 2025. Then write the roster form. Roster form means you have to list the elements. How do you list? What are they telling you? The elements are nothing but prime factors of 2025. So just take the prime factorization of it. 5 fours are 0, 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40 and 1s are. Then let's take 3 table. 3 2s are 6. Then 2 1 27. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 3 1s are. So list out the factors. List out the factors. So I'll give you two answers here. You will tell me which is the correct answer. First, let me ask, is this correct answer? Let me just ask you first, is this the correct answer? While wonders, I will not stop better. The only reason is number of students coming to the sessions are very less. That is the reason, there is a lack of motivation to take the classes also. So I just want you to come to classes more and more so that I can, take more sessions. Yes, the answer is wrong. Why? The elements in a set do not repeat. Many of you might have done this mistake. Okay. The elements in a set do not repeat. So what are the elements here? 5 already we wrote and it is repeating. 3 also. Once you write it is enough. You don't have to repeat. Clear? So only this is a set. Exactly. Chalo. Perfect. Next question. Can 8 by 7 be the probability of an event? Yes or no? Can 8 by 7 be the probability of event? Yes or no? You have the poll here. Perfect. Some of you have answered. Sure. The answer is no. So they asked you to give the reason also. Justify means you have to give the reason. Probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. Isn't it? Probability lies between 0 and 1. It can be 0. It can be 1 also. Okay. 8 by 7 is greater than 1. It is improper fraction. It is greater than 1. Okay. So probability cannot be greater than 1. Therefore, 8 by 7 cannot be the probability of an event. Look at the next one. Verify if these are the zeros of the polynomial. Exactly. Verify if these are the zeros of the polynomial. How do you verify? Verify means check. How do you check? Given polynomial is 2x square minus 3x minus 2. First 0, minus 1 by 2 they give. So P of minus 1 by 2 let us take. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 into, in the place of x substitute minus 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 3 by 2 minus 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So I get 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2. So here if you add directly, take 2 as a LCM, these two you add first. So 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2. So you have 2 minus 2 which is 0. So minus 1 by 2 is a 0. Next one you see P of 2. So 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 2. 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 3 twos are 6 minus 2. So 4 twos are 8 minus 6, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. So in both the cases you got 0. Okay. So if you get 0, therefore I can write minus 1 by 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial. So whenever they ask you to verify, simply what will you do? Substitute the given value in the place of x. Exactly. Okay. Chalo beta. Next question. No problem beta Hemant. No problem. Show that. You got a trigonometry question here. Show that 1 root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Yes. So you take the LHS first. Root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Remember, point to remember, whenever you have root of fraction like this trigonometry, you rationalize it. Okay, this is a step you will write. Whenever you have this, you rationalize. How will you rationalize? If you have minus in the denominator, you will multiply and divide with plus. Okay, remember this point. Whenever this model question comes, you have to multiply and divide with rationalizing factor. Clear? Always. Always. Okay? Right, beta. Correct, correct. Chalo. So now that is equal to root of, this is numerator is like a into a. So a square. Denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. Okay. So again separate the root 1 minus cos square theta. See, a square root cancel. So you have 1 plus cos theta by, what is root 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. Isn't it? Now square root cancel. So I have 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Now separate the denominator. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, and this is nothing but the RHS. Okay. Money, as of now, I am not concentrating on individual chapter beta. So I am taking section wise questions. But still, if you need trigonometry, I'll share it in the community tab. So there is one dedicated session for trigonometry already in the channel. So I will share the link for you. Chalo, next. See, I told you this model will repeat. First question was this only. Yes. So lines are given whether they are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. Find the value of k. So parallel lines a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. So what is a1 here? 6. a1, a2. b1 is k, b2 is 3. Okay, first question I wrote you all the steps, but here I'm not writing. I'm doing it directly. Okay. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So take this 3 to the other side. So k is equal to 3 into 3, 9. Any doubt in this particular question? Was it easy? Yes. Chalo, next. Show that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. So how do you do this? First question, do you square here? I just want to ask you, will you square? Is squaring necessary in this question? Is squaring necessary in this question? Yes, I have given you one dedicated session on real numbers already. Recently also there is one session uploaded on real numbers. I have divided this proof of irrational number into different models. Yes, there I told you very clearly, when you have one rational number and one irrational number combination, you don't have to square. When will you square? Only in two cases you will square. For example, these questions you square, root 2, root 3, root 5, these questions, or if there is question like this, irrational and irrational, combination of two irrational numbers, then only you square. This question, you have a rational number, so you don't square. Very clearly, I have explained you the entire concept in that class. Okay, so what do you do then if you are not squaring? You will take all irrational numbers one side and all rational numbers one side. You will just transpose like this. All rational one side, all irrational one side. Okay, you will just divide it, distribute it. Okay, let's see how to do. So 3 plus 2 root 5, let us assume as rational. Okay. Now, which is the rational part? You see, this is rational. So, take it to the other side. 2 root 5 equal to p by q minus 3. So, what are we doing? We are sorting all rational numbers one side. So, 2 root 5 is equal to, you can take LCM here. So, you get this. Now, here in this term, you see, again you have a rational. So, that rational you take it to the other side. This 2. So 2 is in multiplication, transposing it will come to division. That's all. That's all. Nothing else to do here. So here you have irrational number, root 5 is irrational and this is a rational term. Rational cannot be equal to irrational and hence our assumption is wrong. Clear? Clear? So only one thing you do here in this question is sort. You sort and bring all rational one side, all irrational the other side. That's all. Yes. Let's proceed to the next question then. Comment on the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots concept. What is nature of the roots? See, b square minus 4ac tells you the nature of the roots. So when I'm telling you the question, I'm also telling you the concept which you have to keep it in your mind. So all that which I write on the right hand side, all the concepts which I'm mentioning here, see here, everywhere I'm mentioning, which is not only for this particular question, but for all the models. Clear? Yes. So b square minus 4ac I should find. This is the given equation. Comparing it with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 3, b is minus 2, c is minus 5. Okay, so b square minus 4ac means minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a into minus 5. So minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 4 3 is a 12, 12 5 is a 60. But minus into minus plus. So 64 I got, which is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. This is the comment they wanted. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, you will say the roots are equal. Real and equal. If it is less than 0, you will say no real roots. Okay, the notes of this I will post it in mathfacilitator.com website. Okay, do open and check it out. And tomorrow you'll have a test at 6 p.m. on very short answer questions. Okay, it will be a polling session, quiz session. Clear? You will have to do. Next, cos theta is 4 by 5, find tan theta. Cos theta is 4 by 5, find tan theta. Say this is theta. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side A, B, C. BC is the adjacent side. I am taking it as adjacent side as 4x units. Hypotenuse as 5x units. So this is 4x and hypotenuse is 5x. Now using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 5x. 5x whole square is equal to AB we don't know plus BC square. BC is 4x. Okay. Now this is 25x square is equal to AB square plus 4 square is 16x square. Now this you take it to the other side. 25x square minus 16x square equal to AB square. So you'll have 9x square equal to AB square, or AB is equal to root of 9x square, which is nothing but 3x. Now we want tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. This is the opposite side. Okay. So you have 3x by adjacent is 4x. So 3 by 4. Yes, better. That's all. Okay. Clear with this? So one more thing I wanted to ask. Class, do you want in Telugu and English or purely in English? Let me know. Yes. Next question. Sampath is flying a kite. So this is only one model you can express from applications of trigonometry. Only one model. So for very short, they will only ask you to draw the figure. Okay. Sampath is flying a kite. So he is flying a kite. This is a kite. Okay. This is a kite. So he's flying the kite. At an angle of elevation theta, and the length of the thread from his hand. For example, if here is the hand. Okay, this length of the thread from the hand is alpha meters. This is his hand. Okay, draw the diagram for this data. So the kite is vertically up and horizontally I have to see the distance. Clear. So this is not how you draw in the exam. So only for your understanding. Okay, so see here better. Imagine the kite is at a point A, you have B and C. Sampath hand is at C. Length between the kite and the distance between the kite and his hand is alpha meter. Okay. Angle of elevation is given theta. That means this angle is given as theta. That's all. This is a figure you will draw for 2 marks. Any doubt in this question? So main concept is what is alpha? Alpha will you keep here, here or where? Where do you keep the alpha? Alpha is nothing but length of the thread. Where is the thread? Thread is near the hypotenuse. Is it clear? Thread is near the hypotenuse. Okay, no Telugu, only English. Telugu and English you give 70% then? Okay. So only English better. Next question. A point P is 13 centimeter away from the center. Please refresh. Please refresh. Similar triangles usually you get very low possibility of very short. Okay, so you will get essay questions in that which I will discuss. Okay, this session is concentrating only on very short. Point P is 13 centimeter away from the center. So you have a point P, this which is 13 centimeter away from the center. Length of tangent to P. Okay, length of tangent P to a circle is 12 centimeters. So from a circle, if I take a tangent, this length is 12. You need to find the radius. Again, Pythagoras theorem, we have already used it. OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square. Yes, already I have done this model question. Equal to OA square plus AP square. Yes, 169 is equal to OA square plus 144. So 169 minus 144 is OA square. Just let me know if you have any doubt. Just because I have done this concept already in the same session, I am just doing it quickly. If you have doubt, just raise the doubt here in the comment box. OA is the radius which is 5. Okay. So the next question. Write the denominator 37 by 200 in 2 power and 5 power form. What is the denominator here? 200. This 200 you have to express in this form. How do you express 200? I can write as 2 into 100, or 2 into 100 I can write it as 10 square, or 2 into 10 square I can write as 2 into 5 whole square. Isn't it? So 2 into 2 square into 5 square. Just simply 2 cube into 5 square. Or why ma'am, why all this? You can directly take 200 in this way. Factorization method. Your wish. However you do, you'll get the same answer. So this is how I expressed 200 in this form, 2 power and 5 power. Now they're asking you to write in the decimal form. Remember, previously 4 days back I have taken a class where I told you if you want to write in decimal form, 2 power and 5 power should be same, isn't it? So I have 37 by 200. That I can written as 37 by 200. I can write 2 cube into 5 square. 2 power and 5 power should be same. But here 5 power is less than 2 power, and how much less? 1 less. Okay, you have 2 cube, 5 square. So I want 5 cube. So 1 5 is less, so multiply and divide by 1 5. So 37 into 5 by 2 cube into 5 cube. So simply you can write 37 into 5. 5 sevens are 35 and 15 185 by 2 into 5 10 cube, or simply 185 by 10 cube is nothing but 1000. So how do you convert to decimal? You write 185. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Count 3 places. 1, 2, 3 and put a decimal point. That's all. Clear beta? Any doubt here? Just let me know. Yes, any doubt here? Okay. Next. A is given, B is given. You have to draw the Venn diagram of A minus B. What is A minus B? From A, you have to remove B. Okay. A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus B means 2, 4, 6. So from this A, I should remove B. That means common elements I should remove. So 2, 4, 6 are common. 2, 4, 6. So what is remaining? 1, 3, 5. This is A minus B. This you have to draw in the Venn diagram. So first universal set A, B. For A and B something is common. What is that? 2, 4, 6 are common elements, isn't it? 2, 4, 6 are common. What is remaining in A? 1, 3, 5. So A minus B means only this part. 1, 3, 5. Okay. Tomorrow you'll have a test at 6 p.m. Okay. Be there for the live session. It's going to be a quiz. Quiz on very short answer questions. Okay. Do share the session with all your friends. Bring all your friends for the quiz. 6 p.m. tomorrow. And physics important questions are uploaded. Okay. So you will get recorded questions. Okay. Very short videos I'm making so that it will not waste your time. Physics. Morning I uploaded one case study question of acids bases. So do check it out, and now you'll have chapter number 1 ray diagram question. Okay. Now you have only suggested 6 p.m. as your feasible timing better. Let me know if 6 is not okay for you all. The same session you people said 6 p.m. So just let me know the timings, your preferred timings again. See, sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta is 3. And product of the zeros is minus pi by 4. They're asking you to find the quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial formula, x square minus sum of zeros plus product of zeros is 0. Polynomial only we need, so no need to write equality sign. Okay. So k into s square minus sum is directly given to you. Product is also given, so simply substitute. So k into x square minus 3x minus 5 by 4. Now take LCM. X square, 4x square minus 3 4s are 12x minus 5 by 4. Now what do we do? Take k as 1. Okay, k as 4. Whatever is the denominator, that you will take it as k. So k into 4 into 4x square minus 12x minus 5 by 4. So 4x square minus 12x minus 5. This is the quadratic polynomial required. Here only in YouTube we will have the quiz. So just let me know the timing. So something in between this I will schedule. Just let me know in the poll which time you are preferring. Something in between this or on this time I will schedule. But you have to promise me that you will bring your friends as well for the session. Quiz session will be boring if you don't have competition. So you will have to promise that you will bring your friends also. Progressions already I told you the models better which to prepare right now. Okay, for this particular session. But for essay questions, I'll tell you different models. Okay, just follow the classes, don't worry. Majority is saying 6:30. Okay, but you will have to bring your friends as well with you. Okay, chalo. See here, find the ninth and nth term of the GP. I already told you first when I was teaching you progressions. I told you what are the models which you have to expect. See here, I already gave you the models. Where is it? Where is it? See here. I told you nth term can be asked, right? So here it is. They asked it. Okay, so you have to find the nth term. So if they ask you nth term of the AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That's all. It is such a simple chapter. If they ask you nth term of GP, A into R power N minus 1. That's it. Now they are asking AP or GP, check first. They are asking GP. So which formula I need to use this? Keep it in mind. Now, whose first term is 3. So A is 3. Common ratio R is given 1 by root 3. Now what are they asking you? A9. Ninth term they are asking. A9 means A into R power 9 minus 1. Which term? Ninth term. So 9 minus 1. So A R power 8 we want. A is 3 into R is 1 by root 3 whole power 8. That's all. So 3 into 1 by, see, root 3 I can write as 3 power 1 by 2. So 3 power 1 by 2 into I have 8 as a power. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 3 into 1 by 3 power 4. See here. Now these are both 3's only. So how can I write this? 3 into 3 power minus 4. You know that 1 by a power n is a power minus n. So 1 by 3 power 4 can be written as 3 power minus 4. Or simply you can expand this. If you don't want to use exponents concept, simple, very simple way. 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times, isn't it? So 1, 3 you can cancel. So you get 1 by 3 cube is 27. Clear better. Also they are asking you nth term. Nth term means an. Is a r power n minus 1? So a is 3 into r is 1 by root 3 power n minus 1. You can just leave it like this. Okay, you can just leave it like this. No problem at all. Since it is only 2-marker question, just leave it. Next question. What is the preferred time you are giving? 6:30. Okay. Sure, beta, sure. Progressions is very easy actually. You don't have to, worry about it. It is so easy. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll share the session notes in mathfacilitator.com website. Download it. Prepare well for tomorrow's test. Still, if you have any doubt, let's see what best we can do. Okay. Chalo. A heap of maize is in the form of a cone of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, radius is given 6 centimeter. There is a heap of maize like this. in the form of a cone. Radius is given. Height is given as 2.1. Find the volume. I told you 10.1 exercise from mensuration is for very short. Yes, so volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 r 6 r square. So 6 into 6 h is 2.1. So 7 ones are 7 0.3 is 3 ones are 3 twos are. Simply multiply this 22 into 2 44 into 6 into 0.3 1.8. Just check what is the answer you're getting. Those many centimeter cube is the volume. I'm also very happy now for starting the sessions. So do bring all your friends for the session better. Yes. This question you're going to answer me is 2 by 3. Can 2 by 3 be the probability of an event? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So I'm going to end the poll within a countdown of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, yes, it can be the probability because we know probability lies between 0 and 1. So, 2 by 3 is less than 1. So, yes, it can be the probability of the session. Yes, so one announcement, physics important questions are being uploaded. Essay questions. So check it out. Morning also I uploaded one video of acids and bases case based because many students get confused in that. Methyl orange with acid, will it give pink color or which color? So very clearly I explain you. So check it out. Then ray diagrams you're going to get now. So that video also very simple way I explain you how to draw the ray diagrams for concave mirror image formation. Check it out. So this way you will be getting so many important sessions, so do check it out. And the old students, inter classes are going to start very soon. So I'm very excited to announce this. So after 10th board exams, I will start inter sessions for you as well. Okay. And most importantly, do share the channel with all your friends, and along with these subject classes you have exam preparation tips also, like how to revise and all. So do follow the channel, do share it with most of your friends. Tomorrow you have preferred 6:30 as the time, so 6:37, so something like that I will schedule the quiz session. So do invite all your friends for the quiz session. Okay. Naya, 200 plus MCQ last year we have done, and it was a record breaker. So all the questions were from that session only. So this year also we are going to do. And I want you all to send your pre-final papers and practice test papers to my Instagram or mail ID. I already requested you, so do send them. Okay? Do follow the channel. So you will get a lot of important things from here. Yes, and please subscribe and just comment and let me know your valuable feedback. It gives me a lot of energy when I go through your comments. So do comment and let me know how did you like the session. Bye bye people. Take care.